Well, hopefully I solved my erosion problem. This is how it looked a couple of weeks ago after a pretty good rain, several inches, and I knew I had to do something. This soil has been, I've been working on this soil through the Back to Eden system method for a long time, and had to control the erosion. So here's what I did and why I did it. Along the tops of these gardens, my land slopes this way, about a, I don't know, 5% grade, 3% grade. Along those, that leading edge, the upper edge of the garden, I put in some swales. Let me show you what I did, how I did it, and show you the outcome after a rain. So there it is. Came back in here and just ran over it, pack it, and tractor tires, that tractor's pretty heavy, it packs pretty good. So hopefully, I don't think there's any chance of this mound, this terrace, washing out. Now the rain could be so high, not this time and necessarily, but next time, whatever, that it comes over the terrace before it goes that way. Not sure, I don't know, we'll see. I'll monitor it tomorrow. Storm's coming in late tonight. I will not come out here in the storm to see how it's working, but I will check it out tomorrow, see what happened. Well, this is the morning after. We got, looks like 3/4 of an inch of rain, maybe half, 3/4. And looks like it did what it was supposed to do, in that it was, this end has got more water than that end. Again, my land slopes this way, and looks like it, tried to do what it's supposed to do. I'll go over there and give you a shot of the, I'm not in the garden right now. I'm not dressed for the garden right now. But it looks like it did what it's supposed to do. I like it. Just thought I'd show you that. Next shot, we'll go look, see if there's any erosion actually in the gardens. Well, there's absolutely zero erosion in the garden. I'm sitting just inside the trench, the swale, or I'm sitting really on top of the swale, I guess. I see absolutely no erosion at all. Now, again, we got a ½ inch of rain last night, which is not just a ton of rain, but it did come very fast. I mean, that ½ inch probably came in 30 minutes, 45 minutes or so. So this looks really good. I expect it to hold up. I may come in here and cut that just a little bit, dig that a little bit out, because it looks like it's damming up right there a little bit. But besides that, shoot, I like it. I think it's gonna work. Should have done this a long time ago. I probably lost a lot of soil, a lot of good, hard-earned soil here. Good composted soil. So, mission accomplished, I think, but we'll see when the next hard rain comes. I mean, long, hard, inches rain comes. So far, this is nice. Looks good. I believe we'll go.